Today's our program for reading n values and printing values using one-dimensional array. Array is a collection of similar type of elements. For example, if we take int, all the values will be int. If we take float, all the values will be float only. If I take char, all the values will be character values. Here I am going to read n values and printing using one-dimensional array. It's a preprocessor directive, it's a header file of standard input output header file. Int main, this function will return integer value. Here a of 20, this is the one-dimensional array. This is one-dimensional array. Okay, you see all the type of values are integer type. Here variable a is followed by subscript or index 20. Here we are allocating 20 values. Okay, each value takes 1 byte. Here integer takes 2 bytes, character takes 1 byte, integer takes 2 bytes. So 20 into 2, total 40 bytes. Here integer take 2 bytes, each number takes 2 bytes. Okay, how many values do you want to enter? Here I am going to enter n values by using scanf. Scanf is used to read the values through the keyboard. It's an input function. %d is the type specifier or format code. Here ampersand refers address in the memory. At a particular location we store the values for the n. Enter n values. Okay, now we are going to enter the values. Here \n, this \n is the escape sequence character. It is used to cursor goes to the next line. Okay, here for loop, in the for loop we have 3. First one initialization, second one condition, third one increment. 3 parts in the for loop. First I is 0. Here we are going to store a of 0. In the memory we store at particular locations. First one a of 0, we take 1 value. Next one, here 0 less than, for example if I enter 3 values, for example if I enter here 3 values, this loop will be rotated 3 times. Okay, this loop will be iterated 3 times. A of 0, we will take 1 value for a of 0. Next I will become as 1 less than 3. Okay, a of 1, we will take another value 9. Next 2 less than 3. A of 2. Okay, next 3 less than 3, condition false. We will come out from this loop. Next here we stored the values in the memory by using scanf. Now we are going to display the values what we stored in the memory. Okay, now we are going to display the values what we have entered. We are going to display on the screen or console. Okay, for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. First what we stored in the memory, a of 0, I is 0, 0 less than 3, n value is 3. A of 0 value will be displayed. After that cursor goes to next line. Next I is 1 less than 3, yes, a of 1. Okay, next I is 2 less than 3, next a of 2. Next I plus plus, I becomes 3 less than 3, condition false. We will come out from the loop. Now we are going to see the execution for the one-dimensional array for reading and displaying values through the keyboard into array. Array is a collection of elements of similar type. Okay, variable is followed by index or subscript. Now we are going to compile and execute. Compile, you see here 0 errors and 0 warnings. Okay, so now we can execute the program. or run the program. You see, how many values do you want to enter? I am going to enter 3 values. Enter that values 2, 5, 7. You see here, I gave 3 values. We read the values, we displayed the values. This is the program for reading and displaying the values in one-dimensional array. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please share and subscribe.